Hello everyone, let's try to be a cheat code ninja today. In this problem, we are given a list of matches where the first part represents the winner and the second part represents the loser. And we have to return two things: a list of all players who have not lost any single match and the list of players who have lost just one match. The values in both the lists should be in increasing order. For the given example, you can check that players 1, 2 and 10 have not lost any single match, and these players have lost just one match. One thing you can notice is that the number of victories do not matter in the output, so it does not make any sense to track it. So for each match, we just have to track that the winner actually played in that match. We'll have to track it because the winner can be in any of the two parts of the output. Since the output is determined by the number of losses, we should count the number of losses for each player. We can store that information in a hash map. After going through all the matches and keeping a count of the losses for each player, we can check those players who have just lost only 1 or 0 matches. We'll add them to their respective lists and then sort the result. The time complexity of this would be O of n log n because we have to return our answer in an increasing order. And the space complexity would be O of n because we are using a hash map of size n for each player to store their losses. Let's implement our solution. Let's define a hash map to keep track of the losses for each player. Now we'll go through all the matches and get the winners and the losers. We just have to keep track that the winner actually took part in the matches. Hence we'll not change its loss count. If it does not exist in the hash map, then we'll add it with the loss count as 0. The get function will return the actual value for that key if it exists, or else it will return 0. And for each loser, we'll have to increment their loss count by 1. Because of this get function, we are avoiding if conditions to check if that key exists in the hash map. We'll have to initialize two lists, one for the never lost players and the other one for the players who have just lost one match. Now we'll go through all the players and the number of losses in the hash map. We'll check if the loss count is 0. In that case, we'll add that player to the never lost list. We also have to check if the loss count for that player is 1. Then we'll add the player to the lost one list. In our final answer, we have to return a list containing these two lists. And since the players have to be in increasing order, we'll sort both these lists. Let's submit our solution. As you can see, our solution is accepted. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.